Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to show you how to install and uninstall the printhead for WF-3720. First, we need to free the printhead. We used to just move to the right, then turn this wheel, but this thing doesn't work for this model. It's make it easier, just plug in the printer, turn it on, and as soon as the printhead moves and shut off the power. Now the printhead carriage is free. Take off the cartridges. On the right side, you're going to see a tab and there's a hole. Don't pay attention to the tab and focus on this hole. Get a needle or something, poke in this hole and push, and you're going to see the top is loose. Then you can remove the tab. On the left side, you're going to see a hole too, so we're going to push in here too. So we push the hole on the right side first and lift up the plate a little bit. Now we push on the right side, push it in and lift it up. You may want to use your finger to hold down the right side so it won't go back down. When both sides is up, you can do some digging. Just use your needle, poke between the plate and the carriage. Just like a poke it and lift it up, and you can see it's loose. And now we can lift it straight up and put it aside. And this plate is just loose. It's afterthought by Epson. Put it there to hold it. And just don't forget the directions, how to put it back. And now you get the 3 screws to remove. Those screws are special screws. It's not like regular Epson screws. If you lose them, you can buy them from BCH Technologies. Go to bchtechnologies.com and go to Printer Parts Epson and looking for screws. You'll be looking for 3 pieces for WorkForce printhead carriage. I'm going to put a link above. After you remove the 3 screws, you can lift the printhead up by holding the cables from both ends. If you need another printhead for this printer, it's kind of like a jungle on the internet. You might get scammed when you buy it. Make sure you have a money-back guarantee and insurance. I'll post a video show you how to buy them, and it's not straightforward to buy them. Anyway, so when you install, so the blue side of the FFC cable is up, so you connect the cable first and put it straight down. You're going to see on the front, both ends, there are guide. One is here, one is here. There are like plastic nipples underneath, so make sure those nipples fit in the holes. When we put the 3 screw in, the important is it has to hold the printhead absolutely horizontally. So we put them in the slot first, then hold the printhead, push it down and shake it, and then start tightening it. Tighten it in the like a clockwise or counterclockwise, doesn't matter. Just take it around and do the round robin. Tighten one like 3 turns, then the next one, just go circles. You forgot the direction to put this plate back, right? Yeah, let me give you a closer look. See those tabs? It goes to the notch on the carriage. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.